The super duper feature update. It's super duper duper package enhancement dependency manager.
Up, you super squad. This one's all about making packages more robust, getting ready to put AP or action plans directly in packages themselves. Now, what this cleans up is you can add a card or a guide or anything that references something, an update. And if there's a reference to a reference to a reference, it brings all dependencies with it. One click, that's all, or one call, that's all. This fixes it for that package, getting us ready for a very robust one with action plans that has loads of dependencies. As more and more people are standardizing their full delivery vessel around Super, this one's for y'all. Stay awesome. I'm going to send it over to Super Steve to show you how it works. Adios.
What is up, y'all? Super Steve coming in with a super duper feature update. This one's a little bit behind the scenes, but actually we've had requests for something like this as soon as last week. So we're making this update to let you know what's happening. So in the past, like as you're building out your super, you're going to set up sort of sometimes more, maybe a complex set of like dependencies. For example, you might have an update that you're pushing to clients, and that update links out to a card. And that card may link to other contents that are in your super base that you wanted to give to your client. Or you have a process rule that links out to a card and that has a guide embedded in it or something like that. And in the past, this would work in some cases, but not all cases. And it specifically wouldn't work for things like us moving into action plan templates, which is something we will be supporting in packages soon. So let's go ahead and take a look at this new update. Basically, we just redid the entire backend of how our package dependencies work. And so now if I install this package, it's going to correctly bring in all of the dependencies that come along. So let's just give an example of this. Let's have our update here. And this update's going to link out to a specific card. This card's all in the client account, nothing's in the partner account. So this card is then going to link to other pieces of content. And then these contents might even link to guides or other things. And in the past, some of this would work and actually some of it wouldn't work. And now everything should just work. And basically, we made it so that when you build in your partner account and you deploy that to the client account, you're confident that all that content is going to make it. There's not going to be any 404s, nothing missing. So this is pretty exciting. And again, this will actually be super useful for our upcoming action plan template feature because that has a lot of embedded content as well. So this will fit right in and make that easier to deliver to y'all. So as always, stay awesome, stay super.